Hey everyone, today we are solving Leetcode problem number 67, which is going to be add binary. So what if I tell you that we can add binary number in just one line of code? Of course, in this video, I'm going to solve this question in just one line of code because this question is of easy level. So I don't want to make it that much complicated. So let's see what is actually given in this question is we have two binary strings and then all you need to do is to just return their sum. So let's take an example. For example, if we have these binary number, so what actually I'm going to do it, I'm going to convert these binary number into their integer form, which is going to be 10, and for this binary number we have 11, and we know that we have to return their sum, right? So I'm going to do the sum of these number, which is going to be 21, right? And in Python, if you're going to convert back this integer into their binary form, so basically Python going to add 0 or b at the starting position, right? And then we're gonna get the actual binary number, which is going to be 10101, right? So we didn't want this 0 or b, right? So for that I'm going to do the string slicing, and then eventually we're gonna get our answer, which is going to be this, right? So this is what the intuition that we're going to follow. Now let's sum up this in just one line of code. So we're gonna have to return, and we know that we're gonna have to return in binary. And now let's convert our first binary number into their integer form. So we're gonna apply int of a, and their base is going to be 2, and I'm gonna add them int of b, and also their binary and their base is going to be 2. And we know that we didn't want that 0 or b, so for that I'm going to do the slicing, which is going to be 2 to everything, right? And now let's run this code. Accepted, and now let's submit this, right? So, and here it is submitted, and that's all for today.